Good morning, students. Welcome back in online classes of NBTI. This is your SST class, and today we are going to study civics of class 8. And your running chapter is the Indian Constitution. Student, our today's topic is why do we need a constitution? Student, in previous video, I already taught you that every democratic country need a constitution, but it is not necessary that every country that has its own constitution is known as democratic country. So let us try and understand what we mean by this through two contrasting situation in recent history of Nepal, a country that borders India on the north. Now student, today we will understand about the uh, situation of Nepal, which is situated in north borders of India. Until recently, Nepal was a monarchy. The previous constitution of Nepal, which had been adopted in 1919, in the constitution of Nepal adopted in 1919, reflected the fact that the final authority restricted with the king. Mean to say that when in Nepal there is a monarchy type of government, there is a head of the country who is known as the king. A people's movement in Nepal fought for several decades to establish democracy in 2006. They finally succeeded in putting an end to the powers of the king. The people had to write a new constitution to establish Nepal as the democracy. Mean to say that now the peoples of Nepal uh, struggles for a constitution. They also want that their country become a democratic country. The reason that they did not want to continue with the previous constitution. In short, they want to change some changes in their previous constitution. So they demanded for a democratic country because it did not reflect that ideals of the country that they want Nepal to be and that they have fought for. Now the peoples of Nepal fought for a democratic country and a constitution. As in the game of football, if we see a game of football in which a change in the constitution rules will change the game altogether, Nepal, by moving from a monarchy to a democratic country. Mean to say that if there is a rules that change the football game, the rules of a country is also change a country from a monarchy to a democratic country. Needs to change all its constructive rules in order to users in a new society. Mean to say that if the people want a democratic country, so for this purpose there is new rules is demanded for the democratic country. This is why the people of Nepal adopted a new constitution for the country in 2015. Now in 2015, the peoples of Nepal succeeded to adopted a new constitution. The captain alongside elaborate Nepal struggle for democracy. Now this is a case history in which the peoples of Nepal struggle for a democratic country. So student, rest part of this chapter we will study in next video. Thank you.